Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim your videos into the music beats in CapCut. So in here, I've already imported the videos, and next I'm going to add the music. So let's go to click on add the audio and click on sound. And here I'm going to just find one. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the plus. Now I'm going to trim it to around only, maybe I'm going to just go with 30 seconds. I'm going to go trim the audio like this, split it. Now to easily syncing with the beats, you can mark the audio first. So click on the audio file and click on beats. Now click on this auto generate, and here this is the beats. So you can just trim your videos to the beats, this yellow mark. You can adjust the intensity of the beats. I'm going to just go with this. Click on a check icon. Now just sync your or trim your videos to align with the yellow mark. So I'm going to just click on this and I'm going to trim it like this. You can see I trim it aligned with this yellow mark. So you can just do the same. Just click on the video and drag it like this, and it will be trimmed following the beats. Okay, after you are done, when you hear your video, it will be sync with the music bit. Unfortunately, I cannot I cannot play the music because I don't want to get copyrighted, but here it is. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.